Chicago screws. So we manufacture our screws out of solid brass. We've got them in a variety of shapes, sizes, and finishes. As you can see here, we've got a natural brass, shiny nickel, nickel matte, antique brass, and a matte black. We stock them in 6 different post lengths based on the material thickness, and then 3 cap shapes. So you've got your basic dome, you've got your flat, and your open hole, and the back screw parts match. So to start, to determine your Chicago screw post length, we are going to begin with gauging the leather. So we're working with as you can see here, about a 13 millimeter, or a 13 ounce rather, piece of leather. And we're going to be going through 2 layers. So we're close to 26 ounces, roughly 10 millimeters. So based on that, we are going to choose our post length. So we've got a chart to help you figure out what post length you need. So as a rule of thumb, you want about 2 to 3 millimeters of the post below the layer of leather. That way the screw, which has got about 6 to 7 millimeters itself based on the post length, will be able to go in and grab it. As you can see here, I've already screwed these in. There's give to leather, so you want to take that into account. So if you've got a 1/4 inch piece of leather thickness, you don't want to go with a 1/4 inch Chicago screw post. You want to go a step below that. So 10 millimeters is roughly 3/8. So we're going to go a step down. Here's our 3/8. We're going to go with a 1/4 inch. So to start, you want to use a hole punch. We recommend the 3/16 inch hole punch for the diameter of the post. If you're going to make Chicago screws non-releasable, you can use a bit of Loctite. Put it in the threads, screw it in, it's going to secure it. Otherwise, just leave out the Loctite so that you can take in and out the Chicago screws. So, this in here. So as you can see, we're about 2 to 3 millimeters below the leather here. I'm going to grab our screw. So I like to hold my finger on the one side while I screw the other. That way the bottom part doesn't rotate as well. So you're going to keep going. You're going to feel the leather start to give you a little pressure. That's perfect. That's what's going to lock it in place. And there you have it. That's installing and determining your Chicago screw.